The camel, sensing the attention, posed graciously. It is elegant, neck arched, and it is refined features titled upwards as if aware of its own majesty. As the craftsman snapped and styled, the camel's coat was transformed into a stunning work of art with intricate patterns and designs woven into the very fabric of its being. The craftsman, a master of his crafts, worked with precision and flair, his skilled hands moving deftly as he coaxed the camels locked into a dazzling display of beauty and elegance. The camel, seemingly interested by the process, stood motionless, its soft eyes fixed upon the craftsman as if mesmerized by his skillful touch. The marketplace alive with the vibrant sounds and colors of desert life, pulsed with energy and excitement. As merchants and traders from far and wide gathered to buy and sell their wares, the air was thick with the scent of exotic species and the sound of lively haggling as the crowd surged and swirled. A kaleidoscope of colors and textures that seemed to shift and change with every passing moment. Amidst this vibrant tapestry, the camel resplendent in its newly styled coat stood out as a true masterpiece, a testament to the skill and artistry of the craftsman who had transformed it into a living work of art. As the sun began to set, casting a warm golden light over the marketplace, the camel, now fully transformed, was led out into the center of the crowd, where it was greeted with gasps of wonder and admiration. The craftsman, proud of his handiwork, smiled proudly as he accepted the congratulations of the crowd, his eye shining with pride and satisfaction. The camel, basking in the attention, posed graciously. It is elegant, neck arched, and it is refined features titled upwards as if aware of its own newfound beauty and elegance. The crowd, intercepted by the camel's majesty, surged forward, eager to catch a glimpse of this magnificent creature. It is caught a dazzling display of color and pattern, its soft eyes shining with gentle kindness. As the camel moved through the crowd, its soft bells jingling musically, it seemed to leave a trail of wonder and enchantment in its wake, as if its very presence was a reminder of the beauty and magic that lay just beyond the edge of everyday life. The marketplace, now bathed in the warm golden light of sunset, seemed to come live as if the camel's transformation had unleashed a hidden energy, a spark of creativity and joy that seemed to infect everyone it touched. The crowd, now a vibrant and colorful tapestry, seemed to plus with energy and excitement as if the very presence of the camel had reminded them of the beauty and wonder that lay at the heart of life itself. As the stars began to twinkle in the night sky, the camel's, now a true masterpiece, stood out of a shining beacon, a reminder of the transformative power of art and imagination.